Most people fail with AI for one simple reason. They start with the tool. They open ChatGPT, or Claude, or Gemini, or Midjourney, or a video AI, and they say, "Make me something amazing." And then they get an output that's kinda right, but not what they needed. Pros don't start with the tool. Pros start with the problem. Because AI isn't magic. AI is leverage. And leverage only works when you apply it to the right thing. So today I'm giving you a method you can use forever, for school, business, content creation, cybersecurity, your job, anything. It's a simple 3-step framework. Problem, right pointing arrow, components, right pointing arrow, tool. Say it with me. Problem, components, tool. Step 1. Define the problem clearly before you ask any AI tool for help. You have to define the problem like a professional. Not, "Help me with marketing," that's vague. Instead, what outcome do I want? And how will I measure better? Because better can mean a lot of things. More sales? Less time? Fewer mistakes? Higher grades? Cleaner communication? Less stress? More consistency? Here's a quick way to define the problem in one sentence. I need output for audience by deadline that achieves measurable result. Let me give you examples. I need a 60-second script for small business owners by today that increases click-through to my website. I need a study plan for Security Plus that helps me score 85% or higher on practice exams in 30 days. I need a proposal outline for an executive director that clearly explains risk, cost, and timeline in one page. Now AI has something to aim at. And here's the viral truth. If you can't define the problem, AI can't solve it. Step 2. Identify the components. This is where people level up. Because once you know the problem, you break it into the ingredients, the components. Ask yourself, what pieces make up the final result? Do you need text? Images? A spreadsheet? A checklist? A plan? A template? A slide deck? A summary? Data analysis? A script? A voiceover? Captions? Hashtags? A landing page? And then ask the most powerful question. What inputs are required, and what constraints matter? Inputs might be a resume, an email thread, a policy, a syllabus, a screenshot, notes, metrics, a target audience description, your tone and brand. Examples of what good looks like. Constraints might be word count, compliance rules, the audience's reading level, your organization's policy, must be under 60 seconds, must be friendly but firm, must not reveal confidential info, must match the style of my previous videos, must be accurate and cite sources. Let's make this real. If you're creating a YouTube video, the components are usually 1. Hook. 2. Story or lesson. 3. Examples. 4. Steps people can copy. 5. Call to action. 6. Title plus description plus hashtags. If you're building a cybersecurity report, components might be 1. Executive summary. 2. Findings. 3. Risk rating. 4. Evidence. 5. Recommended remediation. 6. Timeline and owners. If you're teaching a class, components might be 1. Learning objective. 2. Quick review. 3. Main concept. 4. Demonstration. 5. Interactive activity. 6. Quick quiz. Now you're not asking AI for help. You're directing AI like a project manager. Step 3. Select the right tool. Now, and only now, do you pick the tool. Because not every AI tool is good at every task. Some tools are built for writing and reasoning, research and summaries, images and graphics, video editing, voiceovers and narration, spreadsheets and analysis, slide design. If you pick the wrong tool, you'll waste time. If you pick the right tool, you'll feel unstoppable. Here's the mistake beginners make. They use one tool for everything, and blame AI when the output is weak. But pros choose tools like a chef chooses knives. You don't cut a steak with a spoon. You don't edit a movie in a calculator. And you don't expect an image generator to do financial forecasting when you follow problem right pointing arrow components right pointing arrow tool. Something crazy happens. You get better outputs with less frustration. Because you're not asking for something. You're asking for a specific deliverable, built from components, aligned to a problem. Quick walkthrough example. Copy this. Let's do a quick example you can steal right now. Say your problem is, I need to create a training lesson that teaches beginners how phishing works. Step 1. Problem. I need a 5-minute beginner lesson on phishing that helps students identify 3 warning signs. Step 2. Components, 5-minute script, 3 real examples, a mini quiz, a simple checklist, a closing reminder. Step 3. Tool. Use a writing AI to draft the script, then use a video tool like Pictory to create the visuals, and a slide tool if you want a classroom version. Now you're moving with intention. Activity, mini project, now it's your turn. Pick a topic you could teach someone in 2 sentences. Then list 3 components you'd use to teach it. Here's a starter. Topic. Password security. Components. Short explanation. 3 rules. Checklist. Do this once, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Outro. CTA. Tomorrow we're going into something most people ignore. Until it burns them. Safety guidelines. And why you can't fully trust AI outputs without verification. Because AI can be powerful, but if you don't verify, you can spread wrong information fast. So if you want the next script, follow this series. And if you want help applying this to your business or your career, that's what we do at EmpowerTechPathway. We teach people how to use technology and AI the right way, step by step, so you can win. Drop a comment with your topic plus your 3 components, and I'll reply with the best tool stack for it.